THINK and THOUGHT. Think, thought. And THIS, this. Why TH is sometimes pronounced the, sometimes the? What is the difference between them? Actually, the difference not in their letter sound, not the letters, but the sounds. Actually, totally depends on the sound. So we have to know first what is sound. Sound means when we write in that time, we need letter, but when we speak in that time, we need sound. So THINK, 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 that means the sound. But THIS, these, the sound. So the difference over there, the sound and the sound. You have to know first what is the sound and what is the sound. First, we know that the sound, THINK, think, THOUGHT, thought, but THIS, these, in that time we need the sound. The, the, the. You have to pronounce this way. The, and the. First, the sound, that means the, and the. We have to be careful when we pronounce these sounds.